Hi, Brad at Tenshon here. A sail looks and works best when it's stretched tightly and evenly. This video is about how to achieve that. There are two factors that work together to properly stretch a sail. The first factor is perimeter wire rope. This is wire rope. Basically, it's a rope that's made from metal strands instead of other materials like polyester or nylon. This wire rope runs through a pocket along the perimeter of a sail. The second factor is inward curving sides. This inward curve is called a catenary curve. Here is a triangle and a square with straight sides, and here they are with catenary sides. Now, you may be wondering, how does a perimeter wire rope and sides with catenary curves help stretch a sail tight? Let me show you how this works. Here, I have a board with 4 pegs and some thin wire rope. I'll tie off the wire rope to one corner, then wrap it around all the pegs back to where I started. When I pull the wire rope tight, it will make straight lines between the pegs. It will resist being pushed inward or pulled outward. Here's a piece of shade fabric with catenary sides. The wire rope runs along the perimeter. When I pull the wire rope, it once again wants to make a straight line between the pegs, but the sail holds it back. What this effectively means is that the wire rope is stretching the sail outward from every point along the perimeter. Here's where the wire rope is, and here's where it wants to be. This results in these pulling forces. Well, there you have it. Perimeter wire rope and sides with catenary curves for an evenly stretched and great looking sail. Well, that's it for today. See you next time.